Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the G80 and how to accomplish a nice clean floating look with our number plate brackets. Let's go. Okay, so what's the problem? So the G80 M3s and M4s, the plinths are quite large. So this is what comes with the dealership. And these are your standard slimline Victorian plates. So they're bolted on like that. But as you can see, it's way too big. You can see it from the side, it's a bit ugly. It's worse for some other states like South Australia, New South Wales, where the plates are a lot thinner and you see more of it. So what the solution? We have our little Plinth delete kit. Combine that with a bracket and that will give you a nice clean floating look for your car. I'll show you how to get that done. Okay, first step is to remove the factory plinth. So if your car has come delivered with it, it will either have 2 screws drilled in or maybe 4, so just take off the ones that you would have. If not, I'll explain what to do in that situation. Just like that. Okay, now that you've got the factory plinth off, you want to replace it with our OEM Plinth delete kit, specifically for the G80, M3, M4s. So how this works is you want to mount this through your bracket and onto the factory holes, like so. If the holes aren't drilled, so let's say you're about to pick up a car and the dealership hasn't fitted your plinth yet, what you want to do is just align this to the car and then drill the 2 holes, which will then align with the bracket. I'll show you how. Okay, first step is to get your holes ready. So if they're not drilled yet, you can use your factory plinth. You can use those 2 holes as a guide. So just drill 2 little holes there. You can use the screws that's part of the kit. Once that's done, you grab the bracket and also the mounting block, assemble them. Now there's a left and a right. You know there's a right way when you have the text facing up. So put your mounting blocks on, secure them with the connector bolt that's in the kit, and then screw it into that hole. I'll show you how to get that done. Now that you've got all the bolts in loosely, all you got to do now is center it and then tighten all the bolts down. Okay, now that you've got the mounting block and the bracket on, all that's left is to put your plates on. There you have it, number plates mounted to the car using our Plinth delete kit and our number plate mounting bracket. A few points, the bracket doesn't touch a plate, so it is floating off the car. It also gives it a really nice look. So if you want to achieve this setup to replace this ugly thing, you need 2 things. You need the G80 delete kit. Now make sure you check out with a bracket, otherwise it won't work. We do have brackets that suit pretty much every plate in Australia. So just choose the right bracket, grab yourself a plinth so there it's a matching set, and then be on your way. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.